Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness is warning victims of Hurricane Melissa who will be getting grants to be on the alert for scammers purporting to be hired by the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. He sounded the alarm at the launch of the Shelter Recovery Program on Thursday. Kimberly Petty reports.
Since the passage of Hurricane Melissa last year, scammers have been busy. From fake donation drives to imposters posing as victims, utility workers and relief aides, the disaster has been used as a platform for the illegal practice. And long before the cash grant announcement by the Prime Minister, this WhatsApp message about a $1 billion grant assistance program went viral. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness warned hurricane victims who will be receiving government funding to repair their homes to be on the alert.
The Ministry of Labour and Social Security is not hiring anyone, any agent, any intermediary to help you to get the grant. So if anyone comes to you, or you may see something on any of the social media suggesting this, please dismiss it.
At the launch of the Shelter Recovery Program on Thursday, he announced that persons whose homes have been assessed will get up to $500,000 to help rebuild. This will be spearheaded by the Ministry of Labour. Labour Minister Pernell Charles Jr. also raised concerns about persons who will attempt to target the vulnerable during the process.
There is no fee associated with the process of application for the Shelter Recovery Program.
The scammers are also using artificial intelligence to trick hurricane victims.
Artificial intelligence is being utilized by all, not just those that have good intentions. And so already we have had to cauterize and eliminate from the public domain persons who have sought to give the impression that they are associated with the Ministry of Labour and Social Security or the government of Jamaica and asking people to be part of these programs.
It is why he is imploring beneficiaries to use authentic means of communication to get information.
I want to reiterate there is no fee and that you should utilize the authentic channels. Government ministries, GIS, Ministry of Labour, the Prime Minister's social media, those are the authentic channels of information.
The ministry is particularly paying close attention to the vulnerable during the recovery process.
So our social workers are alert and they're placed on alert to make sure that they can identify the persons trying to destroy our prosperity.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.